Hey lippy lovers! Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Senegence Wonderland Collection. This set of 3 LipSense colors and 1 gloss is here just in time for the holiday season. I know you guys were getting worried. So keep watching to find out my first impression of the brand new Wonderland Collection. I am super pumped about this collection. It is in a super sparkly glitter pouch. You guys like my new backdrop? I thought it would be like festive for the holidays. I went with like glitter for this video, right? Because glitter, check out that glitter. Now you only get the glitter pouch when you purchase the full collection together. So it comes with 3 colors and 1 gloss. Now 2 of these colors are a reboot. They're retired colors that were brought back just for this collection. This is the best pouch we've had so far. Some of the other collection sets were kind of like, but this one is legit and it's really cute and good quality. Let's open it up and see what we have. Here they are. Okay, so we got Candy Cane, Currant, Sugarplum, and Red Glitter Gloss. I think first I'm gonna show you guys the gloss. We all know the colors are not easy to get off, so I'm gonna show you the gloss first so that I'm not scrubbing my lips raw. So the gloss comes in a normal gloss tube. This color looks really dense, so I'm intrigued. Here we go. And this is just on nothing. My lips are clean and dry. Oh, it's like a lot. That's a lot of glitter, geez. This would be so amazing on a red lipstick. Wow, okay, this reminds me a lot of the rose gold gloss. I like that it is like really micro glitter. It's not as glittery as like Prism or gold glitter gloss. It's still something you could wear just by itself. I think it's really pretty on. Let me zoom in for you guys. So this gloss is kind of like Bougainvillea, but it has more color to it. The glitter is subtle. This is definitely wearable. This is not like in your face glitter. I like it. What do you guys think? Ooh, okay, first product down, 3 more to go. Let me take this off and we'll move on to our first LipSense color. I decided to go with Sugarplum for my first impression, first impression, because it's the lightest. So the other 2 are reds and they're gonna be a little bit harder to take off. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I think of Sugarplum. I've heard of this color before. This in the past has been a LipSense color that was before my time. I love that this is back. I don't know, it's like nostalgic. Sugarplum is a shimmery sheer mauve with a hint of gold glitter. Let's see if it lives up to its expectation. It's definitely sheer, but you can see the shimmer for sure. So the texture kind of reminds me of Precious Topaz a little bit. Very, very sheer. Like I don't see any color per se in my first coat, but it's really shimmery. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, let's go in for the second coat, see if we can get it to deepen up a little bit. It's very natural. Like this is just a little bit deeper than my natural lip color to where it looks like it's my natural lips with just like a little bit of glitter. Ooh, I'm definitely liking how sheer this color is. I feel like sometimes we don't have a lot of colors for people that don't want a super bold lip. And this definitely falls into that more classic category of lip colors. I was definitely expecting it to be more mauve-y. It kind of has the consistency of like beige champagne with the finish of Precious Topaz, but it's not the same color as beige champagne. It's definitely more purpley than beige champagne. I feel like it kind of matches my backdrop. Yeah, wow, I really like this. Let me put some glossy gloss on it. I'm using a sample packet because I have no clue where mine is. Hold up. If you're enjoying this video, please take a second to subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on any of my first impressions or makeup tutorials. Leave me a comment below and let me know when you subscribed. Okay, here we go. Here's the glossed up version. Very subtle, not too much glitter. This would be a great layering color, I think. I'd like to see this with basically every color ever. If you like not a lot of color, but you want something to pop for the holidays, you're gonna like this color. Let me know what you think of Sugarplum in the comments. This one gets a thumbs up from me. Time to get rid of this and move on to Candy Cane. Okay, I think I successfully got most of that color off. You guys will have to forgive me if it's not perfect. Let's move on to the second color in the Wonderland collection, Candy Cane. So this one is a metallic pink red. I love reds and I love pinks and I love metallic, so it's safe to say that I'm probably gonna like this color. I'm excited to see how it looks with the red glitter gloss though. Okay, so lots of color payoff in this one, like the opposite of Sugarplum. Ooh, I already love how this is drying. I used to love the old crimson red. Before crimson came out, there was a crimson red and it had like a metallic finish to it. This is reminding me a lot of that. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh, this is the perfect holiday red. So that's only the first layer. I love the finish. I love the color. It's like very rich. I definitely think this can complement like a lot of skin tones. I think this is my third coat. I can't remember. Oh no. Oh, I really like this. It's like drying a little bit deeper. I know I talk so weird when I have this on. I'm like, oh my god, you guys. Just gotta wait for it to dry. I still haven't found my glossy gloss, so I'm gonna keep using a sample packet. Ooh! It's not like a super high metallic finish either. It's just like a really subtle metallic finish. So it's not that like 80s frosted lipstick look. It's very subtle. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is such a pretty red. You know, our line really does lack reds. There's only 2 true reds in our collection. So I really like seeing all of these new red limited edition colors coming out because it's so fun to finally have some variation in the red tones. I really like this. If you're a fan of Fly Girl, Blue Red, Cranberry, RIP, Crimson Red, RIP, then you're gonna like this a lot. I'm really glad they included this. How pretty is that? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, now let's throw some RGG on. That's what I'm gonna call the red glitter gloss, RGG. It's deepening the color slightly, but I'm not mad about it. I love the red glitter gloss, you guys. I'm a huge fan. Like, it just really makes it pop. I love it. I can't wait to see it over our other red. This tone of this color is a little unique to our line. It's not super cool toned, but it's not warm either, at least on me. You'll have to let me know how it looks on y'all. Okay, let me take this off and we'll get to our last color, which is Currant. Let me say, I've had more customers ask for Currant than any other retired color. It seems to be always very elusive and I'm so excited to have it back for a limited time. That was hard work. That color was pretty hard to take off. For those of you guys that are familiar with LipSense, you know that this is a labor of love, putting on and removing these colors 3 in a row. It removed really well once I used Foops, but when I was trying to use like everything random, it was not working. Okay, let's move on to our last and final color, Currant. I've actually never worn this color. I never had a chance to get one before it became so mysterious and gone. So it says it's a matte berry red, but it definitely has kind of a brown undertone to it. I don't know, let's see. I know people really like this color, so hopefully I will too. Goes on really sheer for the first coat, not too thick. I'm kind of getting like persimmon vibes from it a little bit. Ooh, this is like a good natural color. This is like a muted red. I really like this. This is very wearable, like year-round, I think. It does have a warm undertone, that's why I think I'm thinking persimmon, but it's not like orange. It's definitely not orange. It's kind of a red-brown. So the formula is very like thin and sheer. It's not like a thick matte color. It applied really evenly, which I like. This is like a deeper neutral red. It's not a bright red. It's not a brick. I'm not really sure what it is. It's kind of like, I don't know. I just like it. It's pretty. It's like a muted red. That's, I think, the best way for me to explain it. A muted red with like a hint of brown. I really like this. I would wear this like every day. This is like a color that you could wear and people not be like, whoa, you're wearing red lipstick, you know? I'm gonna wear this color today to work. Ding. Wow. Now I'm mad that this isn't in the full line. This collection is very much like got something for everyone. It's got like the bold party color, which would be Candy Cane. It's got like the light everyday, like I don't like to wear lipstick color of Sugarplum. And then it's got this color, which is like I like to wear lipstick and I want something a little bit deeper for fall, but like still every day. And then it's got the red glitter gloss for when you're just feeling sassy. Like I really love this collection. Let me put some gloss on and we'll wrap it up because I have to be somewhere in like 20 minutes. Let me give you guys a close-up. Now, before you're like, oh my gosh, she likes every collection. That's not true. I did not like Sweetheart Pink. Okay, sorry, Synergens. I'm totally honest with you guys. If it's a color I wouldn't wear, I wouldn't tell you guys I liked it. Like, that's just real talk. I think the reason I've been successful in this industry is because I'm straight up with what I like and what I don't like. Like, I don't sell the matte gloss because I don't like it. Sorry. Overall, this collection is a huge winner in my book. I think it's a great selection of colors. It's packaged well. The marketing we've seen for it has been some of the best so far. I love it so much that I'm offering it for 15% off for my customers with free shipping. What do you guys think? I want to hear your opinions on these amazing new colors. Which ones do you want to see here to stay? That's my big question here. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm so excited to be able to bring you another first impression. Y'all know I love giving my honest feedback on these amazing products. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the other videos on my channel for more first impressions, makeup tutorials, and all things Synergens. Peace out, Girl Scouts.